Hey, listen, me, I'm doing pretty good, man. My name's T-Rail. Got that full camo hat on. These two ones. I don't know where the hell this something that came from, so I can't tell you where to get it at, but these two ones. It was a gift from somebody. Anyway, what is we doing today? Man, I'm standing on a fucking stool. Look at that shit. Oh yeah. Redneck Nation, everybody, how y'all doing? Standing on a stool, man. Why the hell am I standing on a stool? Cause if you look over here, I'm putting on my dip tire up here on my damn top of my dresser here where I sit at my bar and shit. You see what I'm saying? See, I just told y'all I was gonna put it up here sometime, so that's what we're doing. Grab me a couple out of this box right here. And damn, let's roll with it. We're gonna build her up. I got that box full, them two boxes are full, and I think that's it, but that's a bunch of damn dip cans to me. That's about damn 2.5 years worth of dip, I believe. Yeah. So, this is how we do it. Do that there, man. Make us a dip tire. Now I get back with y'all when it's a little bit more built. Stay tuned. All right, so that box is empty. It's right there. I got this box left, and then that box left. That's what she looks like so far. I'm getting her all built up. Spitting in the Rebel Flag flask mud jug. Mudjug.com, get you one. Well, go switch that playlist real fast. That's how she's going. And we'll see y'all in a few. Get you one of these, mudjug.com. See you in a bit. We're gonna build her up. All right, 2 boxes down. 1, 2. 1 to go. This is how she looking so far. And what I got up in here, a bunch of Longhorn, Grizzly, and Copenhagen. And that's what's up in here, Longhorn, Grizzly, Copenhagen. I got the Grizzly custom cans up in there as well. We're gonna damn sit here and grab a couple more. Set these mugs up. Like that right there. All right, and that's how we stacking them up. We'll see y'all in a bit when they damn get finished. All right, that's all of them for right now. All 3 boxes. That's the one I'm dipping on. The final project. There she is. As y'all can tell, I got a bunch of them Grizzly custom cans. There's a good bit of them fire ones and some Copenhagen camo cans and Grizzly customs up in there, man. A good bit of them. So we got Longhorn, Grizzly, and Copenhagen up in there. Rebel Flag Flask Mud Jug. Get you one at mudjug.com. This has been T-Rail's rebuild of the dip tire. Y'all holler back now, you hear? Peace.